Hey guys, I'm Ownerland Mortgage with Dan Lawrence. I asked Dan to put together a little presentation about credit and how it relates to qualifying or getting approved for a mortgage. I often get asked, what kind of credit score do I need or what's the process? I typically just refer them to a loan officer that can help answer their questions, kind of see where they stand and see what they can do to help advise them to best get qualified for a mortgage and also for the best rate. So Dan, how does credit relate to what a lender is looking for to qualify someone for a mortgage?
Well, just a little background on credit. So there's three main credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And how we determine your credit score is basically the middle score. So we throw out the high score, we throw out the low, and we go with your middle score. So credit scores range from 350 all the way up to 850, with 700 being the average. Most people have it right around 700. We can approve people for loans all the way down to 580. But even if you're below the 580, there's a very, very good chance we can do a credit rescore, some kind of credit repair very quickly to get you above 580 and still qualify for your loan. So I always urge people to look into it sooner rather than later. And then there's five main factors that go into your credit score. One being payment history. Do you make your payments on time? Two being balance versus your limits. And I always like to point this out. Even if you have more debt, it may not necessarily be worse. For instance, if you have $4,500 on a $10,000 limit, that's only a 45% utilization rate. As opposed to if you had $450 on a $500 limit, that's up to 90% utilization rate, which is worse, even though $450 is a lot less than $4,500.
And what's typically the threshold? Don't people want to see below 50%? Is that correct?
Exactly. If you're below 50% utilization, you're in good shape. And then the next one would be the length of your credit. They want to see that you've had credit and you've made many payments on time. And after that is types of credit. They want to see more than just one type. They want to see credit cards, they want to see car loans or installment loans, education loans, and home loans. And then lastly are inquiries. They only make a very, very small impact on your score.
Again, guys, as always, if you have any questions, you're curious, you're not sure where you stand, even if you think you might be 12 months away from making a move on buying a house, it's good to talk to a loan officer sooner than later just to see where you stand and see if we can help boost your score before it comes time to make a move. All right, guys, as always, thank you.